Same spelling. Two different sounds. Are you confused? Don't worry, I will help you today. Today, I will teach you 3 words that look the same but sound completely different. Why? Depending on the meaning. Mistake 1. The word R-E-A-D. Same spelling a pie, but 2 completely different sounds depending on the tense. I read every day. Say read. Past tense cod. I read the book yesterday. Say it like R-E-D. Read. Same spelling, war, different sound. Mistake 2. The word lively. Same spelling han, but one is a verb and one is an adjective. They sound different. As an adjective tall, it is a live concert. Long I sound. L-Y-V-E. A live concert. As a verb pie, I live in London. Short I sound. L-I-V. Live in London. Mistake 3. The word wind. Are you saying both the same? They sound different and they mean different things. As a noun, the wind is very strong today. Short I. Wind. The wind is blowing. As a verb qued, please wind up the clock. Long I. W-Y-N-D. Wind up the clock. Remember path, read or R-E-D, live or live, wind or wind. Same spelling or different sounds. Subscribe for more English lessons.